16-inch. That's gonna be all rock. It's not hot yet, but it will be in 5 minutes, it feels like. See, I sprayed this out over 2 weeks ago. Good morning, everybody. It's Eric from Precision Pressure Wash. Today, I'm just checking in with you guys. We're not doing pressure washing. We are doing landscaping. So I'm going to kind of just take you guys around and show you what I'm going to be doing. I have been doing some estimates for pressure washing. Hopefully I can build up a good little amount of work while I'm completing this landscape job, but I figured I'd show you guys. It's real early. It's barely 7 right now, so I kind of got to be quiet because I know the customer is definitely sleeping. She already told me that. But I got here late. I say late, it was like 8 o'clock yesterday, and this is a lot of digging and ripping out sod by hand, which is not good. I did get a new trailer, guys. Here it is, 5x10, brand new. Got a good deal. I did have to drive all the way to the land. Anyways, let's go back here and take a look at what we got going on. It's not hot yet, but it will be in 5 minutes, it feels like. Anyways, the reason I'm starting a little earlier today is because it just gets so hard when it's this freaking hot. I'm going to show you guys, though, what I'm doing. It's not cool. That's why I'm not filming it, but here it is. So, we're going around the whole screen. See, I sprayed this out over 2 weeks ago. Cut it in and sprayed it, but then since then we've decided on different edging. She's decided on different edging, which made this bigger, so it's making the rip out a lot harder. Nothing we can't handle. Here we are. Here's where I got to yesterday, so I got to do this before it gets hot, and we're talking 110 115 heat index out here. But there it is. So I had to strip out an extra, I don't know, 4 to 6 inches for this edging that we're using, but I mean, it looks good. It's pretty level. I'll probably have to come in and play with a little bit of it. This is almost final grade though. This part's going to be a little bit trickier to make it look beautiful, just, you know what I mean? It's going to be a little higher there. Inside this is going to be all medium brown egg rock. See, this is how I'm 16-inch. That's going to be all rock. Then I had to come around and I'm laying that down and kind of cutting with a shovel. It's as good as I can come up with. I don't have an edger. Over here, we're going to take this down lower than the rest because it's kind of going to be a drain for that. We're going to replace these and add 4, 2. Then in here, I'm trying to be quiet, guys, she's sleeping. She just had this whole thing repainted. Looks really good. So in here, guys, we got to take out all this rock. So that's, once I get this rip out here done, we're in here taking this out. All this rock's coming out. These lights are coming out. The sprinklers, we're going to cap them off where they come in from out here. I'm going to cap them right there. We're going to rip all that out. And then we're going to put new lights in here and new stone. The stone is going to match the stone that's out there. So, yeah, I got a little bit of work to do. My kid does show up, comes a little late. This is going to be tedious because it's in here. But it's gonna look really good, guys. I might go ahead and just keep checking in with y'all every so often and give you updates on the job, but As for this, I did all that yesterday. Like when it was hot too. Sod is not looking good. I'm gonna have to replace some of that because I did put that in. I put in sod all on here because this is where I put in the French drain. Sod, did sod there, all right here. Down here, you almost can't tell. I did some in the front too. Patching up sod is like, it's the worst, guys. It really is. Patchwork is hard. A lot of waste, a lot of cutting. Anyways, sorry that I don't have anything cool to show you. No washing. But figured I'd owe you guys something. Come check in with you. I probably will put up a video, one of those ASMR type videos. Just because I have a lot of footage saved up. And it won't be super hard to do. But as far as like a wash video this week, it's not happening. I do have something real cool in the making. I am jumping in with another pressure wash company, and I'm gonna do a video. A guy I know, it's a really big job, so he's bringing me out there to help. I am gonna film that. That'll be cool. But other than that, I don't know. I do have one really big commercial estimate I'm working on. I have to have it in by tomorrow. I'm not getting my hopes totally up, but if I land it, it'll be awesome. Super big. But fingers crossed, guys. That's it. Like, I'm not going by square foot anymore. That's not what I'm gonna do, because I haven't won. I think I got one time, and this was a couple years ago. I feel like the prices were a little better back then. I'm not even gonna lie. I was getting a couple times. I did get 15 cents a square foot. But anyways, I can't even open this damn water while I'm talking to you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead, get off here, and I'll holler at you guys. All right, guys. I'll show you guys a little bit of what this is. Show you guys what I gotta do. Just working small sections. Of course, it's in the way. I'm gonna go ahead now and get some footage of this, guys, because I like to play music, and I can't do that when I'm doing YouTube. Kind of just throw it that way. All right, guys, you get the point. That's what it is. I don't know how many minutes that was. That was like almost 20 minutes. So that's how much you get done in 20 minutes when it's not fully hot. As soon as I get around this corner, we're in the shade. And that's my goal. As you guys know, on Wednesdays I fish, so I'm not trying to get all strung out here and use up everything I got, because as the years are going, man, I'm starting to notice it. Like, I'll never quit or give up, but when it's all said and done, I know how my body feels. It sucks. Part of it. We ain't complaining about that, but guys, sorry I ain't got no washing. This is what my life's come to. Sometimes you just got to do whatever it takes, stay busy, pay the bills, and be able to fish. But guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.